back. So after our maths class, in which we have learned about what comes before, not learned, I would say we have practiced, because the concept was already taught. So we have practiced what comes before. Before is pehle wala. Isn't it like that? You all do it in this funny way, na? So now it's time to start with our today's EVS class. Yes. So if you all remember what we did on Friday भी आपका EVS period था. We have learned about somebody. So who was that? Let's have a revision of our previous work. Then we'll move ahead. तो Friday को मैम ने आपको किसके बारे में बताया था? Yes, one who keeps our hair healthy. One who trim our hair. Yes, it's a hairdresser. So on Friday we have learned how a hairdresser help us and what are the different tools they use when they are helping us. So what they do and how they help us? They trim our hair. They look that how and what all things can help us in keeping our hair healthy. देखो hair क्या है? It's a part of our body. तो जितना healthy हमारे heart को, हमारे hands को होना चाहिए, जितना strong होना चाहिए, उतने ही strong और healthy हमारे hair होने चाहिए. And who is helping us in that? A hairdresser is helping us. Very good. So now today ma'am is going to teach you about myself. Who am I? Myself matlab we are not going to learn I am a boy, I am a girl. No. So what am I? Ma'am kya hai? Who am I to you? What I do for you? Can anyone tell me? You are meeting me every day. रोज आप मैम के वीडियोस देख रहे हो. रोज मैं आपको कुछ सिखा रही हूँ. So what am I doing for you? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर रही हूँ? What Miss Vani is doing for you? मैम आपको पढ़ाते हैं. Yes. तो जब कोई हमें पढ़ाता है तो हम उनको क्या कहते हैं? What we call them? मैम कहते हैं. ओके, ये तो आप बुलाते हो मुझे. मैम के क्या आप मुझे बुलाते हो. But if we talk about as a social helper, we call them a teacher. Yes, teacher. तो आज हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? Today we are going to learn about a teacher. So, what a teacher do? Teacher क्या करती है? She makes you learn new things, isn't it? मैम आपको new things सिखाती है. It can be your craft, your drawing, about alphabets, numbers. तो अब मैम आपको क्या कर रहे हैं? So देखो बेटा, we are taking these online classes since the beginning, है ना? अप्रैल मंथ से हम लोग क्लासेस ले रहे हैं और रेगुलरली every day you are taking the classes, you are watching videos, you are doing your work. आप मैम को सेंड कर रहे हो, isn't it? So we all are doing it from so many days. कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो अब मैम आपको क्या करा रही है? ये सब मैम आपको बता रही है. मैम के बताने के बाद व्हेन मैम ने आपको पढ़ाया, आपको टीच किया, आपको चीज़ों के बारे में समझाया, then only you are able to understand about your surroundings. See, ma'am has taught you about festivals, about alphabets, numbers. फिर हिंदी मैम ने आपको हिंदी स्वर, व्यंजन ये सब बताए. Then poems, stories. Then we did lot of coloring, different paper craft activities. कितनी सारी चीजें about shapes. कितना सारा we are learning. अब now we are discussing about helpers. So who is telling you all this? All this is being told by a teacher. मैम आपको बता रही है, isn't it? आप वीडियो तभी देखते हो जब मैम भेजती है और उसमें मैम क्या करा रही है? मैम इज टीचिंग यू, isn't it so? अब मान लीजिए मैम नहीं है, मैम इज ऑन लीव, मैम छुट्टी पे है, तो क्या होगा? Who will teach you? Nobody. कोई और मैम आएंगी. अगर वानी मैम isn't it? But who is teaching you? Some or the other teacher. तो अब मैम कैसे हेल्प करती हैं? मैम इज टीचिंग अस न्यू थिंग्स एवरी डे. मैम इज टीचिंग अस अबाउट व्हाट इज गुड, व्हाट इज बैड, क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा है, हमें कैसे बिहेव करना है. कोई अगर हमारे घर आता है तो हाउ यू हैव टू टॉक टू देम. सो ऑल इज बीइंग टॉट बाय योर टीचर. शी इज टेलिंग यू. अब मैम है इंग्लिश के क्लासेस में, मैम आपको साउंड्स बताती हैं, isn't it? Then if we talk about हिंदी क्लास, मैम आपको स्वर, व्यंजन, हिंदी की कविताओं का पाठ कराती हैं आपको. इंग्लिश में मैम आपको स्टोरीज सुनाते हैं, पोएम्स, राइम्स, isn't it? Then if we talk about numbers, हम काउंटिंग लिखना सीखा हमने, how to do different formations. So all this is being done by ma'am, by your teacher. Now comes what are the different things a teacher use when she is teaching. जब मैम आपको पढ़ा रही हैं तो क्या क्या डिफरेंट चीजें मैम यूज कर रही हैं. So can any one of you tell me what are the different things? We have book, not only one, बहुत सारी books हैं. So we are using books. Then we have colors. So if I show you, we have different colors, isn't it? Ma'am is using colors also. Then ma'am has a diary like this. Ma'am के पास एक डायरी है in which ma'am is writing about all the things कि ma'am को किस डे पे कौन सा लेसन पढ़ाना है, कौन सा वर्क कराना है. Then what else ma'am is using? Every day I am using something जो अभी भी आपको दिख रहा होगा. What ma'am is using? What is this? It's your board. So ma'am is using board. अब board use कर रही है तो board पे किसकी help से लिख रही है? Ma'am is using chalk, duster, different picture cards. Pictures draw करते हैं. Many of the times जब ma'am आपको videos में पढ़ा रहे हैं तो आपने देखा होगा ma'am is pasting pictures here to make it easy understandable for you. आपके लिए इजी हो तो उसके लिए मैम पिक्चर्स भी बनाते हैं, ड्रॉ करते हैं. उन पिक्चर्स में कलर करने के लिए मैम कलर्स यूज कर रहे हैं. आई एम यूजिंग मार्कर्स, isn't it? सो टीचर इज यूजिंग मेनी थिंग्स. वो सब जो आप भी यूज करते हो, कलर्स आप भी यूज करते हो, मैम भी यूज करती है. देन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट चॉक, चॉक से मैम लिखती हैं. समटाइम्स जब आप आएंगे स्कूल एंड यू विल सिट इन द क्लास, आई विल आस्क यू टू राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. पता है बहुत मजा आता है बोर्ड पे लिखने में चॉक से, तो वो भी मैम यूज करती है. आपने देखा होगा व्हेन मैम इज डूइंग वर्क इन बुक और नोटबुक, मैम इज यूजिंग पेंसिल एंड इरेजर, शार्पनर, कलर्स. ये सब चीजें कौन यूज कर रहा है? मैम भी यूज कर रही है. पेंसिल हो गया, इरेजर, देन पेन. मैम इज यूजिंग पेन टू राइट हर थिंग्स. पिक्चर कार्ड्स, अलग अलग पिक्चर्स के कार्ड्स बनाना, काउंटिंग, ब्लॉक्स. मैम ने आपको कितनी बार ब्लॉक्स भी दिखाए हैं. While doing different concepts, we have beads in the school, isn't it? So there are many things a teacher use in the class while teaching you. So let's have a look to all these things and then we will proceed to our book work. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? Open your book. और जब हम बुक का वर्क करेंगे तो before starting the work, ma'am will show you few things that ma'am uses in the class for teaching. Okay? So open your book on page number 86. तो जब आप पेज नंबर 86 ओपन करोगे, you will find your today's topic teacher and let's see how to do that work. Okay class? So class, now if you will look here on my table, I'll show you there are so many different things that a teacher use while teaching, isn't it? The first and the foremost thing is she uses different type of colorful papers on which teacher make cards, they make pictures to get them identified, isn't it? So we have done lot of activities using these colorful sheets also. You must have done that with me, isn't it? You remember that? Then we have these colorful sheets. We have some glue. Then what else a teacher use? A duster. I have shown you. See, a chalk box. We use so many different color chalks. I have so many different color chalks. Then a duster I have. Then we have different color of tapes to mark things. We use pencil colors. Then we use marker. मैम आपको marker से pictures draw करके दिखाती हैं. Then yes of course a scissor. It is used by only ma'am. आपको नहीं बोलते ना ma'am cutting के लिए. Then we do so many activities in our book. Not only this book, we have different subjects book in which we do different activities, isn't it? So now what we are going to do? Again, we are going to do some work in our book for the topic teacher, a social helper teacher. So this is your EVS book. All of you please open it on page number 86. Yes. And when you will open this page, you will find the topic teacher. Now, when you want to do work, what you need? What do you need? You need a pencil, an eraser, isn't it? So again, teacher is using it. Now, if you will see here carefully, you will see a picture of a classroom. इसको देख के आपको अपनी क्लास याद आई? I know you have never been to school till now, but आप उससे previous school जाते थे, तो आपने देखा होगा. See, there is a classroom like this. मैम है, वो पढ़ा रही है. She is asking questions. Some of them are answering it. Alphabet board, the most important thing, board. ये देखिए board मैम लिखने के लिए use करती हैं. चौक कहाँ use होता है? Board पे. Then we have some charts, some pictures hanging on the wall. ये देखिए आप लोगों के desks हैं. You have small desk for you to sit, isn't it? We have chairs. Then there is a teacher table. और मैम क्या कर रही हैं? मैम is teaching everyone, isn't it? This is all what we see in a classroom ना. तो classroom में जो भी होता है, all those things are used by a teacher. As I have shown you so many things, isn't it? Okay. So let's start with the work. The first thing is write today's date. That is 25th January 2021. So this is our date, and please mention classwork also. ठीक है? So now I have already explained you this picture. Ma'am is having so many books, a chalk box, a duster on the table, isn't it? And see how interestingly all the students are listening to what ma'am is saying. सब लोग ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं मैम किस तरह से बता रही हैं, क्या पढ़ा रही हैं. Isn't it great? Okay. So now let's move ahead. Circle the things your teacher uses. So now it's time to see what are the things a teacher use in a class while teaching. मैम क्या करती हैं? पढ़ाती है ना. A teacher helps in getting the things understand. बुक में क्या लिखा है वो कौन समझाता है आपको? Teacher, ma'am, isn't it? So now we have to circle those things which a teacher use, जो ma'am use करती है. So what all things we have? We have storybook. See, it's a storybook we have. Then next we have is a syringe. Then we have some colors. We have a pen, a pencil, a bottle of glue. We have a notepad, a chalk, a duster. ठीक है, अब ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. Now tell me, is a storybook of any use to a teacher? Isn't it? It's of use or not? Yes. आपको beautiful, interesting stories कौन सुनाता है? मैम सुनाते हैं ना. So yes, storybook is used by a teacher. So you have to circle it. Now next we have is A syringe, an injection. So who uses it? Doctor. Very good. तो ये तो मैम यूज नहीं करते. So we are not going to circle it. Okay. Now next we have is a pen. So you have seen ma'am using pen. Yes, ma'am use करती हैं in making notebooks or for writing in the books, isn't it? So pen is again used by a teacher. Now we have colors. बताइए colors ma'am use करती हैं? Yes, आपने देखा है ना, जब मैम आपको बुक में वर्क कराती है तो मैम यूज करती है ना अपना कलर बॉक्स, isn't it? So colors are also used by ma'am. We'll circle it. Then we have a pencil. So it's an example before you. See, ma'am is using a pencil to do the work. So we are going to circle pencil also. Then we have a notebook, a notepad. मैम अपने नोट्स लिखते हैं ना. मैम इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखती हैं. आपके बारे में रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड होते हैं. Where she keep? She keep in a notebook or a notepad like this. तो मैम के पास हमेशा एक डायरी होती है अवेलेबल. So yes, ma'am is using this also. Next we have is a glue bottle. So if you remember, I have shown you, ma'am use करते हैं ना while doing activities to teach you how to do the things. So glue is also used by ma'am. Then we have chalk and duster. As I have shown you my chalk box, और डेली मैम आपको पढ़ा रही हैं. सो व्हाट मैम इज़ यूजिंग फॉर राइटिंग ऑन द बोर्ड? चॉक. और कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है, कुछ मैम को इरेज करना होता है, तो मैम क्या यूज़ करती है? डस्टर. यस. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट अ मैम और अ टीचर uses. Only syringe is not used by ma'am. Rest all the things that are given here, वो कौन यूज़ करता है? टीचर यूज़ करती हैं हमारी, isn't it? So you all are eagerly waiting ना कि आप भी फटाफट से स्कूल ज्वाइन करो, क्लास में आओ, sit in the class, attend your classes, isn't it? सबका मन कर रहा है ना? Okay, let's pray together. We all will pray to God कि God जल्दी से स्कूल ओपन हो जाए and we all will go to school and do our studies in school only, isn't it? So class, I hope you have understood what are the different things a teacher use when she is teaching you. And this is all about helpers we have learned. So till now we have learned about 4 different helpers. Doctor and nurse, who is helping us in keeping ourselves fit, healthy. Then a policeman who is responsible for the maintenance of law and order in the society, for who is helping us and giving us security, protecting us from bad people. Then we have learnt about a hairdresser, one who help us in keeping our hair healthy as well as look smart. And fourth is a teacher who is telling you about everything in the world, what is good, what is bad, and about different things related to your environment, isn't it? So now you have to revise about all these 4 helpers, complete your work in the book which I have given you, and with that you have to do a small show and tell sort of an activity in which you will dress up like one of the social helper and you will speak something about them. You can use different things they use like props. If you want, you can dress up like them. Clear? So this is a video you have to share me by tomorrow because tomorrow is your holiday. So you can share this video by tomorrow. Bye for now. Take care.